Welcome to the C tutorial on 3D printing. First, you will need a slicer software to operate the printers. The one for ULTIMAKER is called Cura. You can search it on Google as ULTIMAKER Cura and select the top link. Go ahead and download the software and select the last option if you don't want to share any information with the program creators. This is what Cura will look like once you open it. To open a new project that you want to print, just head over to the folder icon and select the location where your STL file is located. Open the file and play around with the view to position your project how you want it. Check the settings on the right to make sure that the nozzle selected is 0.4 mm and the material is PLA. On the left-hand side, you can move, rotate, scale, and mirror your project as desired. You can check the dimensions of your project and change the name. Once you are happy, click Prepare to give you an estimate on the time and the amount of material used for your print. Make sure you have an SD card inserted in your computer. Once you are satisfied with all of your settings and the amount of time that it takes, you can click the Save button and save the file to the SD card. Once you have saved your project on the SD card, insert it in a 3D printer slot and rotate the dial to print and press the dial to select. Scroll down to your file name and then press the dial once more. Once your print has been completed, gently use a scraper to remove it from the plate.